guys, it's Matsu Patty. How are you? Jane Zhang is back on our list. I think I did a reaction a while back and she was on the world best. And she is amazing, by the way. I had to do some more research about her. So we know that she is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful talent person and singer. And she's also dubbed as the Dolphin Princess. Imagine that. Oh, beautiful. Some of her history is she actually began singing as a teenager at pubs just to earn money to help with the family. Now that is a go-getter, by the way. So I am excited that she's back on and we need to check this out. And let's do this. Look like this is back from 2019. Yeah, here we go. Let's do this.
每一层望眼落下的灰，每一个边界拖着的疲惫，你好，世界心灰，凶悍弱小相对，每一份的勤劳收获的累，每一双清澈见识的醉，得到失去分享，相遇别离无常，又被堵在了路上，多希望长出翅膀，当所有的人都抬头看自己成功的模样，把9点钟的太阳埋藏腐朽的原谅，当所有的人都抬头看嘲弄着你的美，那一边拿你的付出消费，你好，世界心灰，是非哪有绝对？哪一种沉默适应了时代，适应你们眼中的完美？世界再会，生命还给慈悲。多希望长出翅膀，当所有的人都抬头看见自己成功的模样，把9点钟的太阳埋藏腐朽的原谅，当所有的人都抬头看，几把几把的去唱。每一层望眼落下的灰，每一个边界拖着的疲惫，你好，世界心灰。每一份勤劳收获的累，每一双清澈真实的醉，你好，世界再会，生命还给慈悲。
Prophet Princess. Oh my gosh, when she just went up like that instantly, beautiful. Yes, I enjoy that. I enjoy that. I can even speak. Oh my God, I enjoy that. Oh my gosh, yes, beautiful. Oh, wonderful. I'm gonna have to download that song. Sound of My Dreams. Oh my gosh, perfectly sung. Oh, love her. Yes. All right, guys. I know she sings with passion. Love it. All right, do me a favor, guys. If you like this video, hit the like, hit the sub, and don't forget the bell. Oh gosh, I know I get so excited. When I get excited, I talk like this. Okay, down below is our Cozy Cup Club. Don't forget to join along with my merch. Do me a favor, leave me a comment. Definitely leave me a comment because I am so excited to talk about her. Other than that, guys, yes, I'll see you next time. Ja, matinee.